Oh my god, what if Dexter is going on here?
And then this happened. All these drywall was already removed. This was all flooded out, filled with water everywhere. So yeah. Oh yeah.
Probably wondering what's up with all the faces. I don't know if you guys can hear her. She is screaming, and that's how she wakes up in the morning. No one has gotten her. She's still in our crib right now. She starts screaming, shouting. She's ready to play. Anyway, it is 9 in the morning. A lot's happening today. And I'm going to take you guys on an adventure just to show you guys what we do in a day with sushi and all that fun. Just because I haven't shown you guys like how do we do things. So I'm going to show you guys now. So it's early in the morning. I'm exhausted. I'm going to be honest. I'm never usually up this early. Paul handles morning shift, but Paul is handling a mistake that I did a few weeks ago. He's taking care of it, so I have to step up. Guys, I did add a first floor waterfall. I was getting Sushi's bath ready on the second floor. She has her own bathroom. I forgot that I left the water running. Started flooding the second bathroom, and then it went down into the first floor. So Paul's right now handling it, fixing it. Pretty much we're almost done, thankfully. It was such a huge repair. It's been a month of it, so I'll show you guys that too. So well, let me go get sushi ready and get this day started. Good morning, my little princess, my little perfect little pizza. So I got sushi ready. She's all good. As you guys can see here, we have an area here in the loft that is all shielded off. It's baby proofed, everything. So I'm not far away. Like as you guys can see, she's here in this loft area, and I'll be in the bathroom doing some quick dishes. Like I got a couple things to do. So I'm gonna take you along for my needing to organize and clean with the toddler. Paul is here, I'm going to continue doing what I gotta do. Chores, I got done with the dishes. Paul is gonna show you how downstairs looks and what I have caused. Right, Paul? Oh, real quick, this is the bathroom that I flooded, but it survived. Downstairs now is a different story. Go ahead, Paul.
Oh yeah.
Take them for a story time.
As you can tell, this is the bathtub. This is where we give our little Sushi her little bath that she loves. As you can tell, you can kind of see it had to pop off the baseboard because this was all with water. Now the water only reached like right about here. So when I saw it initially, I was like, oh, okay, not a big deal. But then I was like looking, I was like, how long has this been overflowing?
No, you were just
So I then proceeded to walk over to our loft, and I can hear it as if it was a waterfall downstairs. And then this happened. All these drywall was already removed. This was all flooded out, filled with water everywhere. So yeah. Oh yeah. And so yeah, literally there was water like literally everywhere, all on our couch, on all the carpet here, everything was just soaked in water, and there was just water just like falling down. So then what ended up happening is we have like a family friend, he's a handyman, he came, tore all of the drywall off, and put, you know, we put some blowers in there for like 3 days to dry out everything, then put new drywall, tape it, and then now spray the texture. And then now they're here, they're taping up, you know, putting some tape and drape to respray the entire ceiling, has to be painted. And there we go. So yeah, this has been fun, guys. Like literally just and I have my TV covered in plastic, and then all of our furniture is here, and then the baby stuff is like back there. So like literally all of our stuff is here. Yeah, like, there's an entire sectional couch set in here, so I can barely pass through here to get into our kitchen. So fun. And then like I said, the baby stuff's over there, so like we can barely, you know, if I can just hop over this, I can make breakfast. But you know, yeah, going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
You're just doing the laundry.
I know, right?
Gotta record this because this never happens. No, I'm kidding. Paul knows. He does laundry. It's just
I do household chores just as much as you do.
You just gotta watch him and monitor him, because you know, how many times have you destroyed my laundry?
Just a couple.
There was one time I don't know why, added bleach to my clothes.
I did not add bleach. I believe there was residual residue from, I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. So
Guys, I had to throw away that whole load. I was devastated. And I remember Paul was like, I'll take you on a shopping spree. I'm sorry. Right, sir? Right. So Paul's doing my laundry or getting started on this, and now I gotta go do Sushi's laundry, which is already pre-done. So now you have Paul watching the baby. He is doing a little bit of work while she's in her little loft area. It's so versatile. It's like in the center of our second floor, so it's so easy. Like Paul can work, I can pump, I can still hear her, and plus we have a little mini camera in there in that area, so then we can see her too. got dressed. We're getting ready. I put my laptop back. Let me show you guys how downstairs look. We are gonna get a bite to eat. You know, we were told like, hey, we're about to start painting soon, the fumes and whatnot. Might as well for you guys to just leave for like an hour or two. So me and Pa are gonna go get a nice little lunch with sushi. And let me show you guys how downstairs look. Oh my God, what if Dexter is going on here? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I stepped on some phones. Wow. Oh my God, oh my God. Wow. Wow. Hi.
This is Dexter.
We could murder someone now. Alrighty guys, so we got lunch. I didn't record it because I was just that starving. I wasn't even paying attention. I was like, blah, blah, blah. Now we actually have to go take Paul's dad to a doctor's appointment because we have to be there for our family members as well and advocate too. And honestly, I was gonna end this vlog when I was gonna put Sushi down for a nap, but there is no time for any of that. Like, we're not even putting her down for a nap. We're just going straight to Paul's parents' house, pick them up for the doctor's appointment. So this is where I am going to end it, guys. Let us wait for Paul. Hello, my good sir. Let us end this vlog. So guys, this is how today went. A little hectic. We usually are more scheduled. Like, we have Sushi down for a nice precise nap, like everything beautiful. Yeah, today we're just on the fly, right Paul?
Yep.
So guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. It truly means the world to us, and it helps us educate others and show you guys how we do things as a chronic illness couple with a baby and a service dog and Yodi. Don't forget guys, we also post on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so stay tuned for our adventure. So guys, for now, adieu and goodbye.